Let's practice what you've learned so far about cooking temperatures. We'll check the temperature of some food items that just came out of the oven or off the stove and decide whether they have reached safe temperatures. Let's start with this pork tenderloin. We'll insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the meat and wait for a reading. What do you think? Has this pork reached a safe temperature? Remember, the minimum cooking temperature for whole meats is 145 degrees for 15 seconds. This pork is ready to eat. Here we have some scrambled eggs for a breakfast buffet. This is a pretty big pan of eggs, and they don't really have a thickest part to check. We'll take the temperature in 3 different places to make sure all of the eggs are done cooking. Okay, are these eggs done? Remember, eggs for immediate service must be cooked to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and eggs for hot holding must be cooked to 155 degrees Fahrenheit. These eggs are going on the buffet, but they haven't all reached 155 degrees yet. They need to cook a little longer. This is a broiled salmon fillet. Let's check the temperature in the thickest part of the fish. Is this salmon ready to serve? Remember, whole meats, including fish, need to be cooked to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. This salmon needs to go back under the broiler for a few more minutes. Here we have a roasted chicken. This is kind of a tricky one. The thickest meat is in the breast or thigh. We'll check both of those places just to be sure. All right, is this chicken done? Remember that poultry needs to be cooked to 165 degrees for at least 15 seconds. This bird is ready to serve. Taking temperatures correctly can be tricky at first, but becomes easy with practice. Ask your manager if you have any questions about how to check temperatures, what foods you need to check, and when you need to check them.